Cameron, good morning. I'm gonna pop around and see what we have going today. This design here, I am converting this into a video for my YouTube channel, and that's to kind of explain the way my channel is set up. It's a little interesting, but I'm having fun with it. There are a lot of features in here, kind of make this desirable. So this is and then this line needs to be. I love the measurements. Just throwing that out there. So now it is my brand philosophy. There is on. There is no one thing that pleases. Well, maybe it. I think we can all agree with like having hair to do. But when it comes to what you would like to watch, or how you choose to spend your time there. That's with me as well. Get out of there. There is something new. Yeah. Okay, so now I notice this page is also that icky brown color. So I'm going to just grab all the text boxes and make them black. Okay. And so now I'm guessing this should probably be my logo. Go to home. Go to instead stack. And let's see what comes up. That works. And since it's that, there we go. We're gonna make this longer. And we're going to replace that. So, thinking I got there. Let's make this shape. I just love it that I can just pick the boxes and just resize them. And the marquees are really good. I really like it a lot. There are some things that I will have to get used to being a little different, but not too much. And kind of like this. Okay, there we go. So now you can see the whole thing. I want this centered. There we go. This picture. I don't know what this picture looks like. So now, let's focus. There'll be a page for each collection. Let's focus on the hollow deck. Let's go ahead and add all the text real quick. Great. So now, what? Halo. I said the halo deck, and I meant the hollow. You guys, I think I'm gonna go finish my coffee first, and then I'm gonna come back and work, because that's a major typo for me. That's like critical. That I'm at a breakdown point. I think I need to take a break, and I will be back.